Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to join two pipes at a 90-degree angle using proper profile cutting techniques. Let's start by creating a template. Please watch this 3 minutes video. Watch the video till the end. Take a piece of paper and mark a line as shown. Cut along this line to create a circular shape. Fold the paper symmetrically to find the diameter. Draw a line from one edge to the other, connecting the two folds. Place the marked paper on the pipe's face and transfer the diameter line. Mark 2 points along this line and draw a straight line on both sides of the pipe. Using the circular paper template, align the lines on the paper with the lines on the pipe. Mark the curved lines on both sides, connect the upper and lower curves, defining the area to be cut. Carefully mark the section to be removed. Cut along the marked line using a suitable cutting tool. Ensure a smooth cut. Remove any burrs and level the cut surface using a grinding machine. Repeat this process for the second pipe. Once you've joined the curved portions, you'll achieve a perfect 90-degree joint. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.